The ability to visualize changes in product designs improves your time to market by streamlining review and approval processes. On the 3D Experience platform, use the Compare app to easily identify differences between component geometry, structures, and properties. Associated revisions and duplicates are provided for comparison. Just drag and drop the object of interest and the comparison results will load automatically. Color-coded models are overlaid, making it easy to see the differences and similarities in 3D. Properties are also available to clearly identify components and their differences. Use the View, Measure, and Section tools to dig deeper in the model to better understand the differences. Easily navigate the most complex comparisons using the Next and Previous buttons, stepping through each change in the design structure. Simplify how you visualize differences between product designs using the Compare app on the 3D Experience platform.